नमस्कार. निसर्गमित्र विश्वजित विलासजी भगत, संचालक BT अकॅडमी वर्धा ॲट BT फॉरेस्टियन बायोटेक्नॉलॉजी फॉर कन्झर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर. आणि आज आपण पाहणार आहोत BSc सेमिस्टर 1चा टॉपिक ऑफ प्रिन्सिपल. या टॉपिकवर परीक्षेत विचारण्यात येणारा प्रश्न म्हणजे एक्सप्लेन अबोव प्रिन्सिपल विथ सुटेबल एक्झाम्पल, किंवा प्रश्न असाही विचारू शकतो, एक्सप्लेन अबोव प्रिन्सिपल विथ अन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ पोटॅशियम. First point, the German word above means construction or building up. अबोव प्रिन्सिपलच्या मदतीने आपण ॲटम मधील इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कुठल्या शेलमध्ये आणि कुठल्या सबशेल्समध्ये आहेत हे सांगू शकतो. इन ॲन ॲटम देर आर शेल्स अँड सबशेल्स. शेल्स आर KLMN and subshells are SPDF. Shells are the mean energy level of atom KLMN with electron accommodation capacity 2, 8, 18, 32 respectively. For subshells are the sub energy level of an atom SPDF. 2, 6, 10, 14 are the electron accommodation capacity respectively. Electrons are continuously moving around the nucleus in a particular shell. Here is one picture given to you, shows energy levels in an atom. Next point, the electrons are first filled in the orbital having lower energy and then in the orbital having next higher energy. Look at the image very carefully. There is the N which represents the principal quantum number, L which represents the azimuthal quantum number. Principal quantum number has the values starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and azimuthal quantum number has the value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. As per the above principle, there are the atomic orbitals which has the certain energy. As per their energy levels, the atomic orbitals are arranged as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s and so on. Here is the picture given to you, shows subatomic orbitals, their types, shapes and orientation. 2p has 3 subatomic orbitals, 2px, 2py, 2pz and 5 atomic orbitals of d subshell. Next point, the above principle states that in an atom the electrons are filled in orbitals in order of increasing energy. The pictures and the graph shows that there is filling of electrons in the atomic orbitals 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p as per their electron accommodation capacity. 1s has 2 electron accommodation capacity, 2s has 2 electron accommodation capacity, 2p has 6 electron accommodation capacity. As there are 3 sub energy levels are there, 2px, 2py and 2pz. Each one carries 2 electrons. In 3d atomic orbitals there are 5 sub-atomic orbitals, 3dxy, 3dyz, 3dxz, 3dx square minus y square and 3dz square. Each one carry his 2 electrons. Electronic configuration of hydrogen, helium, lithium, sodium, oxygen and chromium are shows filling of electrons in an atomic orbital with respect to their energy level. Electronic configuration of potassium with atomic number 19. To write the electronic configuration with atomic number 19, atomic orbitals are filled as per the above principle: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. To write electronic configuration, we can use noble gas 4 abbreviation as their atomic orbitals are completely filled. The rest of the half filled or uncompletely filled atomic orbitals are written after it. The elements chromium and cadmium are exceptions to the above principle as they show filling of electrons in atomic orbitals. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel BT Academy and press the bell icon button for more video updates.